Nintendo Switch has taken the gaming world by storm since its release in 2017. With its unique hybrid design, it has bridged the gap between home consoles and handheld gaming devices. In this video, we will explore the features that make the Nintendo Switch so popular, its expansive game library, and how it has brought gamers together like never before. The hybrid console. One of the most innovative aspects of the Nintendo Switch is its ability to seamlessly transition between a home console and a portable gaming device. The Switch's main unit can be docked to connect to a TV for a traditional gaming experience or undocked to play on the go. This versatility has made it a favorite among gamers who want the best of both worlds. Expansive game library. The Nintendo Switch boasts an impressive library of games, catering to a wide range of tastes and preferences. From iconic franchises like The Legend of Zelda and Super Mario to indie gems like Hollow Knight and Stardew Valley, there's something for everyone. The Switch also supports a growing list of third-party titles, ensuring that gamers have access to a diverse selection of games. Multiplayer and social gaming. The Nintendo Switch has made multiplayer gaming more accessible than ever. With its detachable Joy-Con controllers, players can easily share the fun with friends and family. The console also supports online multiplayer, allowing gamers to connect with others around the world. Additionally, the Switch's local wireless feature enables multiple consoles to link up for an even more immersive multiplayer experience. Community and content creation. The Nintendo Switch has fostered a strong community of gamers who share their passion for the console and its games. Content creators on YouTube and Twitch have embraced the Switch, showcasing gameplay tips and tricks to their audiences. This has further fueled the popularity of the console and created a thriving ecosystem of fans and creators. The Nintendo Switch has undoubtedly left its mark on the gaming industry. Its innovative design, extensive game library, and focus on social gaming have united gamers across the globe. As the console continues to evolve and grow, it's clear that the Nintendo Switch will remain a beloved platform for years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the end of this presentation, I'd like to take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey that the Nintendo Switch has taken us on. Since its launch in 2017, the Switch has revolutionized the gaming industry, offering a unique hybrid experience that combines the best of both home console and handheld gaming. The Nintendo Switch has brought people together, transcending age, gender, and geographical boundaries. With its versatile design and extensive library of games, it has become a staple in households worldwide, providing endless hours of entertainment and fostering a sense of community among gamers. From iconic franchises like The Legend of Zelda and Super Mario to innovative indie titles, the Switch has something for everyone. Its success is a testament to Nintendo's commitment to creativity, innovation, and their ability to adapt to the ever-changing landscape of the gaming industry. As we look forward to the future of the Nintendo Switch, we can only imagine the exciting new experiences that await us. With continuous updates, new game releases, and the potential for even more groundbreaking technology, the Switch is poised to remain a dominant force in the world of gaming. In conclusion, the Nintendo Switch has truly left an indelible mark on the gaming industry, and its impact will be felt for years to come. It has redefined what it means to be a gaming console, and we can't wait to see what Nintendo has in store for us next. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and happy gaming. Check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos.